Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Lily who felt overwhelmed by life's challenges. She often wondered why some people seemed to have endless happiness and success while she struggled to find her way. One day, she met an old, wise woman who shared a secret. Gratitude is the magic key that opens the door to your dreams. Intrigued, Lily decided to try something new. She started each morning by listing things she was grateful for, big and small. She appreciated the warmth of the sun, the smile of a loved one, and even the lessons learned from setbacks. With every grateful thought, she felt her heart open wider, and her outlook shifted from despair to hope. What Lily discovered was truly magical. The more she focused on appreciation and positivity, the brighter her energy became. Opportunities she had never noticed before started showing up in her life. Miracles unfolded. Dreams that once seemed distant began to materialize as if by magic. Gratitude, she realized, isn't just a feeling, it's a powerful force. When your heart is filled with thankfulness, you attract abundance, joy, and success. Staying positive is like planting seeds of possibility and growing into wonderful realities. So, today, I invite you to open your heart to gratitude. Embrace the power of positive thinking and watch as your dreams begin to transform into your beautiful, thriving life. Remember, the universe responds to the energy you send out. Be grateful, stay positive, and magic will follow. Listen to these powerful affirmations to start your day and your journey to manifest the life you desire. First, let's get grounded by taking in a nice deep breath and let it go. Let's begin. I am grateful for this new day and all the opportunities it brings. I attract abundance and success effortlessly. My heart is filled with gratitude, and I welcome miracles into my life. I am worthy of all the good things that come my way. Every moment is a fresh start to create my dream life. I radiate positivity, love, and confidence. I believe in my dreams and take inspired action toward them. Abundance flows to me freely and endlessly. I am aligned with my highest potential and purpose. Gratitude transforms my perspective and opens doors to new possibilities. I am a magnet for prosperity and joy. I trust the universe to guide me toward my greatest good. My positive mindset attracts wonderful opportunities and experiences. I am grateful for the lessons learned and the growth I am experiencing. Each day, I become more confident, inspired, and aligned with my true self. Remember, the universe is always listening to the thoughts and feelings you send out. When you choose gratitude and positivity, you're not only transforming your mindset, but also inviting incredible blessings into your life. Trust in the magic within you. Your thoughts and intentions have the power to shape your reality. Today is a new beginning, a fresh opportunity to manifest your dreams. Believe in yourself, stay grateful, and embrace the endless possibilities that await. You hold the key to a life filled with joy, abundance, and love. Go forward with confidence and a grateful heart, knowing that the best is yet to come. Your bright, beautiful future starts now. Shine your light and watch your world transform. You are worthy, you are powerful, and everything you desire is already on its way to you. Now, go out and make today your masterpiece. The universe is supporting you every step of the way. I'm Rose. Have a wonderful day. And until next time, Namaste.